Ganyan talaga siya.
Opo!
Anong subject?
Sir, parang ayaw nila maniwala.
Anong subject?
Ano na pong subject nun, sir? Ano po? Mga yung, hindi ko na po kasi maalala. ETP. Parang, ay, teacher, yeah. He was my teacher in grade 4. Aguinaldo Elementary School po.
Isang alamat mo po.
Dr. Ano, grade 4? Sige, estudyante mo si Bakak
Central. Yes po.
So, since you are now in your start, keep up of your career mo bilang sa youth business.
Yes po.
Ano naman ang values na natutunan mo kay Dr. May apply mo sa impact mo?
Okay, I just want to answer in general po siguro with all my teachers, especially including Dr. Arnold. During that time, they teach us our virtue of respect and of discipline. And sobrang importante niyo po. And I was able to carry that even as I grow old and right now here in the stage of Miss Baguio. And hopefully, even outside the stage of Baguio, nationally, internationally, I will be able to bring those values. Look at the result, ma'am. Look at the lives that they were able to touch.
Sabi mo, ay, lolo mo. Hindi ka may out.
Na, hindi ko na po maalala. Hindi naman po, supportive naman po sila ever since.
So, ano pa ang pangalan ni Bakak?
They're all my favorites po. Ano po yun,
Ano
ma'am?
ang pangalan ni Bakak Concepcion?
I'm Gwendolyn Melis Soriano po.
Gwendolyn.
Gwendolyn Melis Soriano. I grew up in Lower QM sa Aguinaldo Elementary School po. And then right now, I'm residing at Bakaking Central. Bakaking Central, yes. Sa may Crystal Cave po.
Ayan, taga ano.
Ano yung greatest strength niyo to win this competition?
For me, I guess it's my grit. Ever since whenever I do something, I always put my heart and my soul into it. I make sure that I do my best and bring my best to the table all of the time.
Now, meron na tayong isang major winning crowd na si
Miss Tara and Miss Krishna.
support of another
Yes, yes.
Miss International is major crowd kasi.
Yes.
So, meron ka bang nalulok forward?
Oh, you know, right now po, nilalook forward na beauty queen.
Na good queen na maging katulad din nila.
Oh, of course po. Krishna, I'm a fan of Krishna. She's from Baguio. She won Miss Baguio 2 years ago maybe. And what I admire about her is not just her strength, but also her persistence. Kasi she was able to win the Miss Charm crown, but she didn't stop. She conquered her dreams, her fears, and she was able to join Miss World and was able to win the crown. So I'm very proud of her, and one day I want to be like her.
Since now, ilang araw na lang po major competition.
Oh, it's gonna be on August 30 po. So ilang araw na lang, ilang linggo na lang po, finals na ng Miss Baguio.
Ano niyo po na mapakaganda ng
Well, every day what I do, I take enough rest. Importante po ang rest, hindi lang po tayo puro go lang ng go. I exercise, I take care of my body, I eat healthy food, I exercise my mind as well, I read books, I continue practicing the way I speak. That's very important. And also I work on my advocacies. Para importante po kasi yun, when given the platform, when given the stage and pageant, may importante na hindi lang yung sarili namin yung dala namin, but also our advocacies to help the city.
Yeah, so,
And we look forward po, sana makapanood po kayong lahat. It's gonna be on August 30. We're very excited to share not just the stage but the whole pageant with all of you po.
meron po kayo sa platform na
Yes po, I do have my Facebook account. It's Gwendolyn Melis Soriano. I have my Instagram account. It's at Gwen Melis. Everything po that they need to know is there available.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ram. Thank you so much, sir. Salamat po. Pagkain po.
Asa lang ate, please subscribe sa Baguio
To
Vlog.
Baguio Vlogs, okay. Hello everyone, please subscribe to Baguio Vlogs.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you so much po. Thank you. Sir, okay po.
Subscribe
To Dr. Arnold TV.
Okay, ulit.
Hello everyone, I'm Gwen Soriano. I'm from Bakaking Central. I'm joining Miss Baguio 2024 and encourage everyone to please support and like Dr. Arnold's TV. Salamat po. Kayo po, ma'am. Okay lang po yan. Okay lang po. Ano po yun, ma? Ano yung account niyo, ma'am?
Gwendolyn. I'm searching your
GW, Gwendolyn po. Wait lang. Gwendolyn. This one po. The second one. Yan po.
Shoutout to
Ano pong name?
Nuts Mania ang page.
Nuts Mania. Hello everyone, I'm Gwendolyn Soriano from Bakaking Central. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Nuts Mania PH. Please follow her social media account.
Yes.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Tapos naman na po, The Stranger's Life Vlog. Hi everyone, I'm Gwendolyn Soriano of Miss Baguio 2024. I'm representing Bakaking Central and I encourage everyone to please like and support The Strange Life Vlog.
Ako naman.
Sorry ha. No worries po. That's I Cordillera. Cordillera Daily. Hello po.
Ito na, lumabas na saan ko ba ipapasa sa'yo para meron kang ano,
Wow! Wait lang po, ma'am.
sagot lang.
Pasend po sa akin, madam. Sa
Yung interview mo, naalala mo?
Opo. Pasend po sa akin, madam. Gwen Soriano, representing Bakaking Central, vying for Miss Baguio 2024, and I would like to encourage everyone to please like and support. Thank you and see you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, thank you po.